Hi everyone, today I will be discussing diatomic gases. Diatomic gases is a molecule made up of two atoms of the same element. Some elements are not stable just as single atoms, so they pair up with each other to form diatomic molecules. This makes them more stable, especially at standard temperature and pressure, or STP. In case you don't know what it means when something's at standard temperature and pressure, it's when the temperature is equivalent to 0 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin and a pressure of 1 atmospheric pressure. So 1 atmospheric pressure just refers to average air pressure of sea level on Earth. So how do we identify first the diatomic gases in the periodic table? There are 7 elements that naturally occur as diatomic gases at STP. They're commonly known as diatomic elements. Some of them are found in group 17 of halogens, which is part in the periodic table, and some are found in group 18 of the periodic table, also known as noble gases. These 7 elements are hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. And a great way for me to remember this is the mnemonic, have no fear of ice cold beer. H means hydrogen, N is nitrogen, F fluorine, O oxygen, I iodine, C chlorine, B bromine. Another question that comes up to mind is, why are these elements even diatomic? Number 1 is bonding for stability. These elements are diatomic because they are more stable when they form bonds with one another of the same element, and allows them to actually achieve a full outer electron shell, which satisfies the octet rule. And also electron configuration. Why is this important? So I'd like to give an example for this. So an example would be oxygen atoms sharing 2 pairs of electrons to form oxygen, giving both a stable configuration. So when oxygen pairs with another oxygen forming O2, it gives that electron the stability. It gives them that stable electron configuration that's needed. And states of matter at STP is where the 7 diatomic elements exist as gases. And as I've stated a while ago, it's when the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius and 273 Kelvin, and the pressure is 1 atmosphere of pressure. We have here some of the diatomic gases, which are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are in halogens. Other elements are also diatomic, and we have noble gases. However, it's important to understand that noble gases, some of them are typically monatomic. So one itself alone, and they do not need to bond with one another because they're already achieving their full electron shell. So they are not diatomic. Here's a quick summary below of what we've discussed.